Hey there, all my YouTube friends. So today we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to do an unboxing of an old Tamiya kit. This is the Castrol Toyota Time Supra GT. This is a very cool car, very cool kit. Get a Toyota Celica here. When did this model kit come out here? 1995 here. That's when this kit came out, so this kit's just a few years old. It's a classic. So let's just open it up and see what's inside so everybody can see. Got my trusty knife, got my box. Let's slicey dicey. Totally missed on that one. So if you ever needed a video of somebody slicing open some saran wrap, this is it. Flip it over. As you can see, this is brand new, so this is untouched. This is a, unopened. So let's take the box, put this away, and let's look at some parts here. Alright, I got my trusty scissors, so we'll open up some stuff here. Here is some real nice looking glass here. You can see it's the front window, the back window, headlights, and little lights here. I'm not going to open this up because I don't want to get these ruined right away. So, very clean. Looks, to me, kits are known to fit very well, so this is nice. Here's some plastic parts. Ooh, there's actually staples in the bag. Look at this. That makes it easy. Pop them bad boys open and open it up like that. So I can see there's some roll cage parts in here. It's got the chrome wheels, if I can get them out. Uh-oh. Come on. There we go. So what do we got here? We got, looks like the body kit. Rear deck. Oh, that might be the splitter on the car there. So there's some airfoil. Looks like a radiator. Some roll cage. All the vents here. Looks okay. Nice and clean. Here are some wheels. Because that, need those to race the car. I'll get that plastic out of here. Here is the tires and some netting here, probably for the vents of the car. Tamiya likes to give you that. Tires are nice race slicks. They look nice. We'll put those off to the side. Man, look at this. Not a lot of kits, not a lot of parts in this kit. So let's open up this last one here, because this looks like it's... I got my hand caught in the staple. Don't do that. What is this? Ooh, some tire decals. Very nice. Let's take this out here. As you can see, body of the car, the chassis. Got some engine. Got the doors. Suspensions here. All sorts of suspension pieces here. Here's the dashboard. So that looks very nice. Not a lot of pieces. Looks like this could go together very nice. I'm hoping it goes together very nice. Get that out of here. Here's some instructions. Oh, let's go to the decal sheet here. Because this kit is mostly decals. The car is white. And... alright, we'll just leave that for now. Getting a little stuck here on the bottom, but... look at that. So here, nice crisp looking decal sheet. Tamiya decals are always nice. The few Tamiyas I've done. So hopefully they can get around the curves and whatnot around the windows here. The way the striping goes around. Looks like each individual sponsor here is a separate thing. I know a lot of NASCAR kits that come into big groups. That's okay. Decal is just another art of the model kit. I like the seat belts here. Looks like a decal of carbon fiber on the seat here. That's pretty sharp. Alright. Let's look at the instructions. Get a nice book here. So not too bad. I don't know if my camera there. So, Tamiya kits have a lot of detail, and they go together real well. I know I built a few. If you haven't built one, I highly recommend you build one. There's the decal placement. That looks fancy there. Alright, that looks good. Let's take a look at the body now. The body was in a separate bag of its own. I see a staple back there, but it looks like it's a little wonky. So we'll do that. Boom! Ooh, look at that. Toyota Supra. Always a cool car. Back in the 90s, it was really cool. You know, Fast and Furious style. Man, look how clean that is. That looks nice. Doesn't look like there's any mold lines at all, really, to take care of. It's a little rough around the wheel well here. So I'll just give it a sand down. Be alright. Alright. So here is the Tom Supra. The Castrol Tom Supra here. This is was a big car in the early mid-90s, I should say. I know it broke some records. It was a fast car. I think this is the one that went head-to-head with the Nissan, if I'm not mistaken, at the time. You know, the two Japanese car companies. So this looks very clean. Looks very nice. I'm very excited to start this up in a little bit. So here is my unboxing that you just watched of the Tamiya Castrol Tom's Toyota Tom Supra GT 120 Fort Scale Sports Car Series. Very nice looking. I'm looking forward to doing this. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching the video. I want to thank all my subscribers who continue to support me. I want to thank everybody else who's watching the video who's not a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, hey, go ahead and subscribe. It's always free, and I will never ask you for money. So, leave a comment, leave a like button. I moved the whole stand. Leave a comment, hit the like button, hit the dislike button. It's all good to me. So, appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for this kit and a lot of other stuff coming up. I got a lot of projects going on. All right, everybody. Appreciate your time.